All right, what's going on, you guys? Before we start this video, starting to get ready now, got the lights ready and stuff like that, getting them right, make sure it's right, you feel me? I need you guys to smash that thumbs up right when the video starts, to get the video up to 100 likes. That's the goal for every video. You already know what the goal is, man. Go ahead and share the video for your boy. We're trying to get that 20K before the summer hits, man. 20K, DeVintage world is gonna be dope. More giveaways coming, more giving back to the community, feel me? More informative videos and stuff like that. So go ahead right now and smash that thumbs up, share the video, and go follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. 20K, man. More sneakers, more reviews, more for you guys, more for the vintage gang, you feel me? So go ahead and do that for your boy. I appreciate all the love and support. You already know I do. And yeah, let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. Today, I wanted to bring this video to you guys a little bit before February kicks in, because I know once February kicks in, it's gonna be a lot of people talking about some sneakers. And it's gonna be a lot of people talking about this #1 sneaker, and it is the Air Jordan 6 infrareds. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. We're on the ground of 20,000 subscribers, man. Smash that notification bell so you never miss another video, post notification, or any live stream that might pop up on you guys. And also follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below, man. So go ahead and do that for your boy. Alright, so as y'all know, Air Jordan 6 infrareds are dropping in February, and I feel like when February kick in, it's gonna be a lot of videos just talking about this #1 topic, because it's gonna be like the Concords. Like the last 3 months before the Concords release, it's like a Concord video like every other week. And I ain't gonna lie, I was a victim of that as well, because everybody wanted to talk about them, everybody wanted to see them and stuff like that. It was like an early release a month prior to them releasing and stuff like that. And people just kept dropping videos about the Air Jordan 11 Concords. And the Air Jordan 6 infrareds, I feel like, are up there with the Concords. I wouldn't say like neck to neck, but as you know, like the hype around the sneaker has been, it's been dwelling around the shoe since last year when they said that they're going to be dropping around All-Star Weekend. And we finally about to get them in February, man, right after All-Star Weekend. And I'm pretty excited about this. The last time this sneaker released without the Nike on the back, I'm not for sure, but the last release of the infrareds was in 2014 or 2013, I don't remember. It was the year I graduated, and I really want the sneaker. I like that black shoe, like that nubuck all around the shoes, not a suede, with that nice red hits on it and the icy blue bottoms. And they finally giving this back to us this year with the Nike on the back, and I am so excited. I know a lot of people are excited as well. So this is the first sneaker that I want to talk about for my like top 5 most anticipated for February, even though it's a lot of Jordans releasing in February. We gotta talk about this one, and it is the #1 sneaker for me. They are not on the sneakers app yet, but they are of course on Kicks on Fire, and they got them releasing February the 24th, I believe. One second. No, they got these releasing February 16th for $200, and I am going to be spending my hard-earned $200 on this sneaker just to add in the collection. Like I said, it's a dope shoe, it's an iconic shoe, and it's a grail for me. It's an all-time grail. You already know that black and that red colorway. Anybody that red colorway, everybody is loving. And they got the 6 coming back with the Nike Air on the back, and it got me amazed, man. I cannot wait to add them to the collection. $200, February 16th. I cannot wait. Y'all let me in the comment section below if y'all are digging this colorway as well. This 6. And let me know if you copying, double up. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Next shoe I want to talk about is the Air Jordan 12 CNYs, man. Those shoes, I already did an early review on them. Y'all go check them out. Go check that early review out right now, man. Y'all already know they're going to be releasing February 5th for $250. They hit us over the head with that $250 because they added a lot of stuff into the shoe. And I can appreciate it. The extra $50 is crazy, even though we talking about the infrareds. Everybody want them more than these 12s. But it is what it is. Give us an all gold box. I'll hit y'all with some B-roll of this sneaker right now so y'all can check it out. It's a very fire shoe. You can actually peel off the black whatever material it is over that CNY pattern all over the 12. I do not recommend doing that, but if you do, hey, if you like it, I love it. Like I said, you can take that off. They got an all gold box. They have like a lot of details going into that shoe, and I feel like it's worth $250. If you don't, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know why you feel like they should be going for $190 retail. Hey, let's get some conversation going in the comment section below. That's why I love talking and interacting with you guys, the Vintage Gang members. And hey, it means a lot to me. So y'all gonna let me know in the comment section below if you copping, you going after them, you passing. Hey, let me know. The next Air Jordan I want to talk about is Air Jordan 1 UNC patent leather things. These things is so fire, bro. I cannot wait till they release. Hopefully it's like another one of those Air Jordan 1 Always like one of those Air Jordan 1 gold toes. This was like a general release, like a quick strike, I would say. It was for 160. I believe these are going for 160 as well. And like I said, hopefully it's just like this release, where it's not too limited and where it's not too many pairs going out. And I'm definitely going to be trying to add another Air Jordan 1 patent leather in my collection. And these ones is fuego, man. I'm not gonna lie, these things is dope. And like I said, 160 retail, you can't beat it. They're hitting us with a dope OG color, which was at UNC, which college Michael Jordan went to. And yeah, February 14th, Valentine's Day. This might just be the Valentine's Day sneaker. It's always a women's shoe. Last year we got the 8s. The year before that, I think we got the 4s or the 5. One of the shoes. But like I said, hitting us with this one for Valentine's Day. I cannot wait to cop. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you're going after these. 160, February 14th. Let me know. The next shoe we are going to be talking about, which is a shoe similar to the one I took an L on, which is the Hyper Crimson. We have the turbo green things. These things is, oh my, they so dope. I feel like this is like up there with the infrareds. When talking about releases in February, I'm not saying like they're the same like iconicness and the same, you can't rate those shoes the same. I'm just saying like February, they up there, man, as far as Air Jordan releases. And I'm definitely going to be trying to cop a pair. Like I said, I took an L on the Hyper Crimson. Hopefully I do not take an L on these. Hopefully I'm not in work. February 15th, I believe, is a Saturday. And yeah, man, hopefully we can add them to the collection, bring a review to you guys, bring on feet to you guys. Speaking of feet, y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all want to see on feet in the beginning of the videos or at the end of the videos. A couple people said end, some people said at the beginning to grab your attention. Y'all let me know. But yeah, 160 February 15th. That leather quality on the side panel is just it looks dumb, looks ridiculous, man. And like I said, let me know in the comments below if you're going after these. Yeah, let's get into the next sneaker. Okay, the last sneaker we will be talking about today is the Air Jordan 33 Travis Scott collaboration. I don't know why I did that. Collaboration with Travis Scott and Jordan Brand. 33. This is probably the only 33 I can see like selling out in the first day, maybe like in a couple hours, just because it got Travis Scott name on. Travis Scott like took over 2018 with sneaker releases, with music, with clothing and everything. I feel like he was up there when speaking about rap artists collabing with different brands, and they hit us with a 33. Maybe this is something that could promote the 33, make it sell better, because as y'all know, the 33 was kind of like L, if I would say, speaking of like numbers wise. Even though I don't know the numbers, you can just see them always sitting in the stores, nobody talking about it on YouTube and stuff like that. But this is the first 33 that I can see everybody on YouTube talking about, everybody on Instagram scrolling and checking out. These will be releasing Valentine's Day as well, along with the UNC patent leather ones, and they're going for 175. Like I said, it's not a bad colorway, it's a dope collab, but I'm not feeling the 33. But if I had a cop a 33, this would be the only one I would cop, honestly. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a hype beast, maybe. You a hype beast. Everybody got a little hype beast in me, feel me? Hype beast, we know about you. Don't buy shoes unless they're popular. Chill, let me know in the comments below if you're going after them as well. But that is my top 5 most anticipated Jordans. I feel like, or the most hyped up, I would say. I think I'm gonna name this like the top 5 most hyped Jordans releasing in February 2019, because it's a couple other Jordans releasing, but we don't want to make this video too long to where you know what I'm saying, putting y'all to sleep. I just want to bring y'all a little bit of information, give y'all a little feedback, and give y'all my opinion on how I feel about these top 5 most anticipated Jordans in February. And I want to get some conversation going with you guys, some feedback from you guys. And like I said, I love interacting with y'all. I wish I can do it every day, but due to my job, due to family, due to a lot of things, I can't do that. But if I could, just know I would. Hopefully, very, very soon, I'll be coming to you guys every day with some vlogs. Hey, but we're going to say that for the future, man. Y'all let me in the comments below what all you're going to be trying to cop in February. I know my #1 sneaker for February is going to be the Air Jordan 6 infrareds. If y'all do not know how to lace y'all Air Jordan 6s, I got a how-to lace tutorial over the Air Jordan 6s. I'm gonna leave a card right here, or you can just go on the channel. It's one of my most recent videos. It dropped in January, and I know you guys love the how to lace videos, and I brought you guys 3 dope ways on how to lace your Air Jordan 6s, man. So y'all go check that video out for your boy. Right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. You made it this far into the video. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss any live stream, any post notification, or any video or content I drop on this channel. And follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. The link will always be in the description box below. And with all that said, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.